it's working so far.
I didn't destroy something as far as I know. The blu-ray drive. This is this one. How about this one? Really? I didn't put that in upside down, but it looks like this power thing needs to go upside down. I got the Blu-ray drive in here. The power SATA cable seems to need to be put in upside down. So it's going to have to twist to connect to the next thing. From my old computer, I'm going to take out one of the DVD drives and the memory card reader. Wow, it's really dusty. Very dusty. I'll at least get this. This is a small drive and an adapter, but this case came with its own adapter that should match its style, instead of this one which didn't match anything. Let's see if I can figure out how to put one of these things back in. I could only find one of them. I'm not sure if I ever had the other. I think that's it. Is this one upside down too? I think I expect it to go all the way up and then come back down. Nope. And you, alligator clip, you stay on. Doesn't look like the holes line up right. That's good. I would only get 2 screws in. This goes like that. Doesn't stick out so far. That's good enough. This is supposed to screw in somehow. What's this supposed to attach to? This definitely goes like that, but with this, these were attached somehow. I'm pretty sure I have this in right, but I can't seem to find any way to attach this. And it fits right, but there's nothing holding it in place. Hard drive. sure if this will physically fit. It might conflict with the graphics card. Ooh, yeah, I think I need to move that.
Not going where you want it?
Well, I was planning on putting it here. My thought was if I get 2 more hard drives, they can go here and here.
Right.
And I have all the hard drives the furthest that they could be from the floor in case it floods. Because you know how everything floods here.
So far, just the garage is flooded, and the backyard, and the front yard, and the office a little bit.
Yeah. Ah, they're all upside down. How am I supposed to do anything with that? Yeah. Doesn't work. Upside down. Oh, let me see what the extra plugs are. Maybe this one. Let's see. Yeah. Drive is connected. I'm not using this string of things because they're all backwards. Cable ties, cable ties. Ooh. Ooh. Something's touching something. Maybe that's it for now.